Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and an easy breath out through the mouth. Inhaling. And when you're ready to exhale, open the mouth and let the air just leave of its own accord. One more deep breath in and out. Feel the weight of the body resting on the bed. And let the breath become soft and natural again now. Notice how the physical body feels this morning. And scanning through the body now, releasing any grip, hold, tension. Totally surrender the weight of your body into the mattress. Notice the parts of the body that are resting heavy, the heels, the pelvis, the shoulders, the back of the head, and let them become heavier. Relax the muscles of the face, the eyebrows, the forehead, the temples, the cheeks, and let the eyes be heavy in their sockets. And as you continue to scan down through the body, this relaxation trickles down through the entire body. Now allow the awareness to settle on your breath, focusing on the space beneath your nostrils. And feel the temperature of the exhale and the feeling of the breath brushing over the top lip. And then shift the awareness to the inhale, feeling the temperature and texture of the air coming in through the nostrils, past the sinuses, down the back of the throat, and deep into the lungs. And feel the chest rise and fall, the belly swell and deflate. Breathing in naturally and breathing out softly, feeling the temperature of the inhale, feeling the warmth of the exhale. Now let your mind shift to a color that you associate with positivity, peacefulness, a feeling of lightness. And imagine you can breathe this color in on your inhale. Like a smoke or a vapor, you feel it through the nostrils, and it comes deep down into the lungs. And on your exhale, rather than releasing this breath, this color, this positivity, this peacefulness out of the body, you imagine it gets pressed down into the entire body. And this colorful breath filling every corner and crease, every cell and every pore of the body. Inhaling positivity and exhale, spreading it through the body. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling positivity and exhale, spreading it through the body. And don't worry when the mind becomes distracted or wrapped up in thoughts. Just notice and return the awareness back to the inhale, the feeling of breathing in, inhaling positivity, and exhaling to spread it through the entire body. Breathing in and breathing out. And now let the mind shift towards a color that you associate with negativity, a feeling of heaviness. And imagine you're breathing this color out through the nose on the exhale. Like a smoke or a vapor, you feel it leaving through the nostrils. And this exhale is pulled up from the entire body. letting go of any fatigue, tension, negativity, anxiety as you breathe out. Inhaling and exhaling to let go. Inhaling and exhale, let go. And don't worry when the mind becomes distracted, wrapped up in thoughts. Just notice and return the awareness back to the exhale, the feeling of breathing out, inhaling and exhaling, letting go. And now let the awareness settle on your heart space. Imagine you can breathe in and out of your heart. Just like your lungs do, the heart rises and falls with every breath, swelling on the inhale and relaxing on the exhale. Breathing in and out of your heart. And bring your awareness back now to the color that you associate with positivity. Imagine you are breathing this color directly into your heart. On your inhale, the color floods the heart. And with it, you feel a flooding of gratitude, happiness, contentment, loving kindness spread through the entire body. And you feel lighter and lighter in the body. You feel a smile in the mind. Breathing positivity directly into your heart. Inhale, the heart swells. Exhale, the heart softens. Inhale, gratitude. And exhale, letting go. And now release this practice and breathe naturally. Do absolutely nothing. Just notice how you feel now. How do you feel physically? And then ask yourself on a more subtle level, how do you feel emotionally, energetically? Listen to your body honestly. No need to change, to fix, to constantly better yourself. Just accepting and loving yourself just as you woke up this morning. Set an intention now to keep this feeling of gratitude and happiness with you for the day ahead. And in times where it feels far away, just remind yourself to breathe consciously and deeply. Start to welcome subtle movements back to the toes, the fingers, the mouth, the head. And when you're ready, work that up into a full body stretch, reaching your arms overhead and pointing your toes. Be as long as you can be. Take a deep breath in through the nose and an easy breath out through the mouth. Rub your palms together. Create heat, friction, energy between the palms. And now separate them just a few millimeters and feel the energy bouncing back palm to palm. Rest the palms over the eyes. Feel the heat on the face. And open the eyes now beneath the palms. Feel the cracks of light bouncing back into the eyes. Slowly lower the hands. Keep the gaze soft for a moment. Take one last deep breath in through the nose. And a glorious breath out through the mouth. Namaste. Have a wonderful day.